Hi, I'm Miriam Mukasa, Inclusive Leadership and AI Consultant at ExecutiveGlobalCoaching.com. Today, I'm unpacking the human-driven stages of machine learning because building inclusive AI starts with understanding where bias can creep in and, crucially, how we can stop it. AI isn't just about the end product. The development journey matters. Every step shapes the fairness and accuracy of the final system. Let's break it down. First, problem definition. Everything starts here. A vague goal, like reduce absenteeism, must become a specific question the machine can answer. But be careful. Choosing the wrong proxy can embed historical biases. That's why domain experts and ethical voices must shape this phase. Poor problem formulation can lead to biased hiring tools, healthcare inequalities, or inaccessible tech in education. Next, data collection. We gather the data, but it must reflect real-world diversity. Incomplete or biased data will fail under real-world pressure. Remember, who is missing from your data? That question matters. Now, data cleaning and preparation. Here we fix errors and remove duplicates. But even here, bias can sneak in. Automatically removing blurry images or masked faces. You could be excluding entire communities without realizing it. Then, data labeling. Humans or machines tag the data, but without cultural or contextual knowledge, labeling becomes guesswork. Diverse annotators, clear instructions, and regular audits are crucial. Model training and assessment. This is where the machine learns patterns. We must test it rigorously for fairness, accuracy, and bias. You get out what you put in, so transparency here is key. Model optimization. Not happy with performance? This stage is about tweaking and improving. Often, retraining with more balanced data can help. Deployment and inference. Now, the model goes live, interacting with users and making predictions. But launch isn't the end of the road. Monitoring and maintenance. Once deployed, we monitor constantly. Real-world use can expose new biases or performance drifts. Models must evolve as society evolves. Finally, data and model sharing. Sometimes we share cleaned datasets or trained models, ethically and securely for research, audits, or collaboration. Inclusive AI doesn't happen by accident. It's a product of human intention, transparency, and accountability at every stage. Let's build systems that reflect the diversity of the world we live in. Visit ExecutiveGlobalCoaching.com to learn more. And if you're interested in practical strategies, sign up for my newsletters on LinkedIn or reach out to me directly to learn more about my Inclusive Leadership and AI Coaching program.